Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove Jeep XJ Center Console. Start by clearing the area and disconnecting the battery to avoid surprises. Remove stored items, lift the parking brake boot, and unclip trim pieces gently using a trim tool. Unscrew visible bolts with a 10 mm socket and set them aside in a labeled container. Slowly lift the console to access hidden screws and wiring and disconnect any connectors before fully removing the console. Work methodically around trim when tackling the console removal. Pry up bezels and cup holder inserts gently, feeling for hidden clips so nothing snaps. Remove screws under the shift area and in the storage bin, keeping track of their sizes and locations. Test each trim piece after loosening to find concealed fasteners and use a small flashlight for visibility. Label connectors and hardware as you go to make reassembly straightforward and stress-free. When the console is loose, check for wiring harnesses and ventilation ducts that must be disconnected. Release connector tabs and mark them with tape so each plug goes back in the right spot. Inspect wires and plugs for damage and clean connectors if needed to avoid poor contact. Reinstall the console by reversing steps, ensuring clips engage and bolts are snug. Test electrical functions, lights, and shifters before putting trim and storage pieces back in place.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.